Top 3 things you could do today to improve your local SEO and get your small business found by more local customers. Number one thing, make sure your business's data is up to date. Make sure your name, your phone number, your address, your business hours, your description, all of that information is up to date across all of the networks. Make sure that number 2, make sure you're doing your posts. Make sure that you are doing those every day or at least once to 3 times a day. Depends on how competitive your network is. You should be going out to Google Business Profile and you should be going to Facebook. A lot of small businesses forget about Google Business Profile or they don't know it even exists. The third thing is make sure that you have your service area set up. Your service area makes it to where you can pick where your business is going to be found. So even if your address is hidden, you can take it and expand it out by using the service area. And a bonus tip, make sure you're using questions and answers. I'll link down below about all the different ways you can use questions and answers to be able to grow your business. That is a huge way to get in front of a lot of people and do it in a very quick manner. Google really pays a lot of attention to their Q&A function. Hopefully these tips were good for you. And if you have any questions whatsoever or you want to be able to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the like button, leave a comment, or subscribe to our channel. That is how it helps us be able to do more videos like this. Check us out at simplybefound.com if you want to make doing your marketing simple and be able to add some AI to your marketing and take control as a small business owner. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.